got an email saying, hey, I just wanted to let you know that VP's attorney reached out to me because he wanted to tell me what his response will be to my complaint.
Whoa! Yeah, man, this is Richie Spice representing for Jamaican Chat. Hey, hear that? Yeah, it's Jamaican Chat we are talking about. Whoa, nana! I see you pulling close from a distance. Jamaican Chat. Bang!
We make this is a blast hot like pink wall. My dog, no light bulb cannot install. To Ross, your seat is a parrot team call. My dog, the little Wayne Birdman cannot involve.
Go on, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know my people, before we jump in at me, I beg you to just like, share, subscribe on the video here. This is a hot one, my people. And I have to give God thanks that I have life. Hey, more time I see people in the comment section and say, how come you talk about God and you know it's not a godly thing? Yo, he may say on the easy on yourself. Me I give God thanks for life. You tell me say me can't give God thanks for life? Anyway, push them one side. Big up Father God, we have life. And I don't see what go on the screen, my people. Chronicler have a new video with artist named Nakis. You understand? And we are push out that one of my people. You understand? So I want to just listen to the little snippet I have. I want to tell me if I flames pan the record there, my people. Tell me if I flames up. So we can communicate back to Chronicler and make them know say a mad thing. Flames, my people. Alright, my people, so just stay tuned.
Make one call. Boy dead, my rust splash pan wall. Forgive me, Lord, it is not my fault. Why them want and it chop life mad? We kill them one from far. Head back slam night or tree kill a tree care when my got night car.
Alright, that pan that. I'm wanting to drop some comments in the comment section below. Just specifically a while ago, my people. You understand? Just specifically for that feature here a while ago. Alright, and this I gotta take away into the updates, my people. You don't see what go on. Etana has a lot of VP records. She put them in them place because apparently there is some ongoing feud with them in court, and Etana basically got live last night and she leaked out everything what happened in the courtroom, of people. And here we go on now. Valiant as well. The man have a new tune out, and the tune out here, my people, he might work on it. You understand? Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Yo, that one look like it's exciting. So him did do a little live when he drop the tune, but just gonna drop that real quick. And him also did a video shoot, and we have a little piece of that. So we're gonna run in that real quick and come back for Etana. Alright.
Our kind of mood is uptown girl drink come smoothies. She know me a dog me cupid. But them want bad me. You never know bad see me auntie. You want me start their antics and show some artist badness. I mean change up the game doesn't hurt me.
Yes, my people, that a go on. Yo, I don't know how them are gonna stop that youth. Them can't stop that youth. Hot like fire. Big up yourself, Valiant. And people in the done hear what go on. That tune it a go shot. Me I tell you from now, it a go shot. So just gear up. It a go shot. It a go up on YouTube trending. It a go do everything. Alright? So big up yourself, Valiant. Yeah, the man. Alright, and then that a go take away in the major updates, my people. Etana went live on IG last night, because last night she had a show in Miami, right? Because it's Reggae Month, my people, and Reggae Month is being celebrated worldwide. All right, so she had a show in Miami last night, and just before hitting the stage, Etana decided to say, you know what, shell down VP Records and Jamaican Chat have everything for you. You understand? So just stay tuned, my people. Right, this mega jump off, but please like, share, subscribe on my video. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat, I'm out.
Things that I prefer not to get into at the moment. And I just had to ask the court to remove them in the process, VP them I call the attorney them I tell them say, oh, you can't of what has been happening. So anyway, the judge has, and I do have time to find new attorney. Like, there is a lot to know on the business, and so it doesn't make sense for me to go into every detail because you're not gonna understand it anyway. You would have to them who do know, you know, about copyright law and fraud and all of them things there, you know. One of the attorneys that represented VP a long time ago, I guess in a case with Kemar McGregor, just basically told them, hey, I think you should settle this because there's just too much fraud all over it. Star Radio Live. Wagwan. Yeah, so right now I'm about to drive down to Miami because no weapon formed against I shall prosper. That is true. So I'll keep you updated. Enough things go on, a whole heap of things go on, but as I say, it don't make no sense to telling her everything. It just not gonna make sense to you guys, you know. Love and greetings from Tanzania. I'm gonna be in a few and Birmingham, so I'm gonna drop the dates up here shortly and let you know exactly where I will be. Amari, you've been trying to. Okay. We'll find a way for me to link the May I read in the comments them I go up. But hi, my youths, big up yourself. Good morning. Happy I'm alive. Grateful for the sunrise. I had a long day today. So tonight, Mr. Jones, Mr. Jones. Oh, come bring your love to me. I really want to take you there. But I can only imagine. When you got a Mr. Jones in your mind, you see him. My other half, and he want to know who Mr. Jones is. Oh, God. How do you contact me for dubs? Call Danger Mental or email freemind.music1@gmail.com. FREEMIND.MUSI. Mr. Jones. The man them have them Mrs. Jones, and we have with Mr. Jones. That's it. So, I'm not going to be too long. I just wanted to give you a quick update. I didn't want to go to sleep with. Oh, I forget to get a part. So while we in the court, right? The judge say, VP attorney jump up and talk about my attorney right away. Like he couldn't even wait. The judge said, well, I was gonna get to everybody. I was gonna, I would jump out at something frightened. Hey, that attorney that she was trying to get. Lord of mercy. La 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 la, loving you, baby. Yeah. There will always be war. I said the war will never be over, whether it be spiritual or physical. I fi talk the things them like how I see it. All if you vex with me, then so be it. Rich should be rich at that one. Who believes to achieve him, I fi hold on him, brother. There will always be that church who believes that they me at least, because my spirit is love and positive energy. But I know there's a time and place for everything, right? There's a time for peace, time for love, time for everything, time and place for everything. You understand? So next time, Mr. Jones, I really want you to come over. Oh, Mr. Jones, can I get your number? Oh, come bring your love to me. I really want to take you there, but I can only imagine. 15 years since the first album, exactly, same so. Can you imagine? 15 years since the first album, The Strong One, came out. Since the first album, The Strong One, was launched 15 years ago. That's amazing. And it's been a beautiful journey in the hard times, the good times, the bad times, the exciting times, the award times, all the achievements that I received, all the people that I got to rock with, all the people that I'm going to sing and dance with, all the places I have been over time. It's been a beautiful journey, an amazing journey. What about good people? Some negative people too, but I try my best to not pull that kind of energy so I can, avoid them people. Understand? Yeah. Try to just, in my own spirit, in my own self, stay positive and keep the good vibes going. So that, in other words, like where you give it, where you get. Yeah, play music. Play that song there for me.
Starting route to Rocket.
Oh, God. "10 years since Better Tomorrow, girl. And 5 since Reggae Forever. Reggae Forever has been out